to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm gonna prepare for you some gizzards. I have 1.52 pounds of chicken gizzards. So let me put them in the Instant Pot so I can tenderize these, okay? Okay, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of sea salt. I'm gonna add 2 bay leaves in the Instant Pot. I'm adding 2 cloves of garlic. Just adding them whole in there. Adding 4 cups of water. That's 2. Just 2 cups of water. Okay, I got it on seal, and I'm gonna cook it on meat and stew. Okay, for 60 minutes. I'm gonna cook it for an hour so that the gizzards be nice and tender. Okay, we'll go ahead and start it. It's gonna start in a few minutes. Fried up some more naked catfish, and I have some lemon pepper on it. That's all. I just marinated it for like 20 minutes and just put it in the fryer and fried it up. So I have already taken them out of the refrigerator, and you will see the whole process on the video, how I cooked my gizzards first, and now I'm gonna fry them. So keep watching. I got 1 egg. I'm gonna place in this bowl. I have 1 cup of egg white protein that I'm gonna use. I have already seasoned, so I'm not gonna add any additional seasoning to it. I'm just gonna go ahead and add them to the egg batter. Just go ahead and add a few there, and then I'll take them, add them to egg white. And I'm gonna add them to the fryer. It's only gonna take a minute to cook these. I'm gonna take them over here and drop them in the fryer. Okay, I dropped a few of them in the fryer. That's what they look like. Only for not even a minute. They are ready because they were already cooked, so you don't have to cook them again. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. It's pretty hot. Yeah, very good, nice and tender. Even though I seasoned the gizzard before, I'm gonna add another 1/3 of a teaspoon in this bowl here with the egg white. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add these to the fryer. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add some more in here and get them in the fryer because they cook so fast. And it tastes really good with the egg white protein. And this is 0 carbs. I just had to take a look again. It's 0 carbs. So when you're frying them up, you're not getting any carbs with these. Okay, let me go take those out and add these to the fryer. They just float to the top when they're ready. So, I mean, I didn't even have to put the cover on these. They're frying so fast. Let me add some more to the fryer. Okay, so I'm gonna add the last of them in here. By the time I mix these up, I have to put the egg white on them first. So I got to put the egg mixture on them first. So I dump them in here. So it only took 1 egg and a cup of egg whites, that's all. I'm having some tea this morning. Okay, and those are probably ready to come out, so let me go grab them. This is what they look like. Okay, I'm gonna add the last of them in there now. Last on to the fryer. Okay, I'm gonna make a little sauce to go with these gizzards. It's just 1 tablespoon of mayo. If I can get a tablespoon out of here. This one's about empty. Okay, that's about a tablespoon. Throw this jar out. And this is sugar-free ketchup. Mix that in. About 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And about a teaspoon of mustard. Mix this up. It's been a long time since I had some gizzard, and these are really good. So I hope you watch the whole video to see how I cook the gizzards and season the gizzards. Really very tasty. Taste it with the sauce. Really good. Yeah, I'm double dipping. They are really good. And full of iron too. Okay. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.